So what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Premium for the month of September 2022. So if you want to know what is in this box, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and dive right into this little box because I just got it in the mail and I'm so excited. I want to know what I got in my little box. It is still sealed, so I always like to give you guys what my first impressions are. I feel like I got my box so late in the month. Today is like the 26th, 27th. I can't keep up. Anyways, as soon as I get done with this video, it will be going up live with a minimal editing. Okay guys, so this is what my little box looks like. So the theme is obviously the same. So it is a runway theme. This is the premium box. This is what my box looks like. And this looks like a box that everybody else is getting because I've been seeing a few videos here and there to see if there's any like difference in variations, and it kind of looks the same so far for the premium. Let me know what you guys think. It looks like we are getting a palette. I think this is the iconic palette. That's what I've been seeing that everybody's been getting. Yep, it is. So I'm getting the exact same one, guys. This is the iconic London eyeshadow palette. The rose gold packaging is very, very nice. So it does have the sleeve. It does have a cardboard packaging to it. Love that you can hold it all the way back. It does have a full-size mirror in the back. And these are the shades that we're getting. Very pretty, like very much fall, winter. Like this whole bottom is like cool tone if you want to do like a cool tone color. These purple shades kind of look like the ones that I'm wearing today, but they're not. So obviously I used my base palette that I got for my Boxycharm from this month. I actually used the Ace Beauty palette to create this look for today. So I actually used this shade right here for my crease, and then I went in with this beautiful little metallic pink one, and then I just applied that to my eyelid. So yeah, that's all I use, but I do like this palette. This palette I really like from this month's base box. However, the iconic London palette, I'm not sure if it's gonna work out for me or not, but I will try it out because I do like this green shade here. And that is my first item, guys. We're gonna go ahead and move on to our next item, and it is going to be this one right here. I believe I did choose this one. This is by Tula, and this is a makeup primer. Now we do have Tula at Sephora, and I've kind of been playing with it because I knew I was gonna get it in my premium box, and it feels very refreshing and smoothing. So it does have skincare benefits to it. This is what it looks like. And it's like, I don't know how to describe the texture, but kind of is really smoothing and refreshing to the skin. It's like a putty formula. It's not a putty. I'm not sure how to describe it, but it is a very good primer, which I'm excited for. I am excited to try it out and use it on my skin because I love my makeup items. And this is a great way to prep the skin before applying any kind of makeup. All right, guys, so that was the next item. I'm excited for this one because it is a multi-use item. You can use it as a primer, and it also does have skincare benefits to it. Anyhow, moving right along. Next, we got this one right here. This is the Elemis, and this is gonna be a superfood fruit vinegar liquid glow. So I think this is going to be like a cleanser. It's good for all skin types, and it is made with apple, apricot, and cactus. All right. so this is what this is. I thought it was a cleanser, or am I tripping? Oh, it's a glow. It's a toner. Okay, so I was tripping. Okay, yeah, so this is the Elemis Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow, and it's gonna help to give you that radiance. So it is a facial toner. That's what they say. I am actually already using a toner from The Ordinary, and I've been really liking it. So this one is also a toner, and the way that I use it, guys, I wanna, oh, okay, yeah, so it has this little pump here. I want to see. Oh, girl. It squirts out pretty hefty. Anyways, I put the toner in, and then I'll just go and dab it all over the face. This one, it did say that it had vinegar, but I also do smell like the fruity stuff in it. So yeah, that is a toner. Once I get done with my Ordinary toner, then I will try this out, because it does look like it has some really good benefits. So yeah, Elemis, you are going to be on my little wait list until I get done with my other toner. But anyways, that's what we got. Unique. I don't know if I kind of like it or not. I feel like I do kind of like this pump stuff, but I don't know, it did kind of squirt out pretty intense. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and move along to our next item. I have like 3 items left in the box. This one is going to be, oh yeah, I chose this. This one is going to be the One Size Beauty, and it's the Brow Kiki Micro Brow Pencil. I got mine in the shade medium brown. I love me some One Size Beauty. We also do sell this at Sephora. This is what it looks like. I just love Patrick's line because it does have that metallic red. So the packaging is like everything to me. Plus, I really love his products are really good. So this is what the little pencil looks like. It's a retractable pencil. On the other side, you are going to have a spoolie. So it is dual-ended. And let me show you what the little color looks like. So you can really go in and draw some eyebrows. Oh, girl, I think I went a little too hard. A little too hard. A little too hard. There is the shade right here. So I guess I could fill in like some of the little spots in my eyebrows. Why am I using my camera as a mirror? Let me know if you do that too, because I do that all the time. Anyway, so we did get a little brow product. Next up, we got the Dear Midnight. Dear Midnight. And what is in this box? I don't know what this is. Star Cross Eyeliner Duo Black Set Night and Light Star. A duo, so it has two items. I'm not sure. I've never heard of this brand. 2 black eyeliners, maybe? Okay, let's see what this is about. Oh, Blackest Night, and it is a eyeliner pencil. Okay, yeah, it's really nice, soft and smooth. So it's a gel black eyeliner. And then here is the other one. One of them is like gold and the other one is silver. I don't know if you guys could tell or not, but what is the silver one? So the other one is going to be a Starlight eyeliner pencil. Oh, it's a silver gel eyeliner. Oh, I'm not even getting any kind of like pigment out of this at all. It might be because my hands are moist and I did apply that primer, so maybe that's why I'm not getting any pigmentation, but it does seem like it's a silver, like a sheen of silver gel eyeliner. And then this one is the black gel eyeliner. Okay, I don't know if I would get any use out of these because I really don't use eyeliner. I just don't. Anyways, moving right along, guys, we also did get this item right here. This is from Benefit. I love Benefit. We got to work with a brand rep that went to our store, and I was educated regarding the Benefit brows, and I've been really loving it as well. But this one here is one of their lippies. The packaging is super pretty. Why do these kind of remind me of like the Dior packaging? Anyways, this is a really pretty color, and this is in the shade Cherry. I think it says Cherry. I'm not sure. I think it's the shade Cherry, and it is a nourishing lip balm. Shall we swatch it? I feel like we should swatch it. Oh, it's so pretty, really nice and moisturizing. So that's what that color looks like. All right, guys, so I feel like this is everything I got in my box. The two items that stood out the most to me are gonna be my Tula primer and my little Kiki brows from One Size Beauty. I will definitely be putting this to use and playing with it. I could actually use it like right here because it's kind of light in there. But yeah, these are the two items that stood out to me the most. I'm super excited for. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys like this video, please make sure to leave your girl big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.